In October of 2024, we planted carrots and radishes in a Start Pickin, self-watering raised bed grow box. This is the same one we planted basil in May of 24 and harvested throughout the summer. In October of 24, we also bought a second grow box from the same company, Az.com, and planted herbs in that one: parsley, thyme, oregano, and chives. And now, on January 1st of 2025, we have a good start on 3 of the herbs. The chives not so much. And we harvest a radish. In February, the weather warmed up, and we set both grow boxes in the back garden, alongside the potato grow bags. You can watch the video on how to use these grow bags, and we'll have an update on those in a moment. We're still harvesting radishes, but we're also pulling carrots, and we continue to pick carrots into the last week of February. These were a half-sized variety of carrot, and while they look a little misshapen, they tasted great, as did the radishes. We didn't need to add any additional fertilizer to the soil, and watered the box twice a month. We harvested about 3 to 4 pounds of carrots over the weeks, and that works well as a supplement to our store-bought groceries. Let's see. So herbs do well in these grow boxes, as do root vegetables. Come September, we'll try tomatoes. The second week of February, we see a potato vine in one of the gray bags. These were planted with the mix of early to mid-season seed potatoes. In the last part of February, the vines are growing fast. We're hilling around these early growers. By the second week of March, the vines are too crowded to hill them individually. To keep the vines covered, we pour the potting mix over the vines and shake it down. Building soil up around the vines protects the new potatoes from sunlight. The soil in the gray bags is nearing the top, so now we'll stop hilling and wait for the top leaves to yellow and the vines to flower. Then we'll open the harvest windows and see how well these grow bags worked. We hope to video that for you. We're also seeing growth in the bags planted with Yukon Gold seed potatoes. We'll follow the same steps, mounding soil around the plants as they grow. Hopefully, we'll be able to harvest potatoes from all these bags until the last 2 weeks of May, when we shut down the back garden until September. Thanks for watching.